Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we delve deep into the official specifications, anticipated release date, and projected pricing of the Mac Mini M5. The Mac Mini has long been a cornerstone in Apple's desktop lineup, celebrated for its compact design, powerful internals, and affordability. With each iteration, Apple has fine-tuned the formula, and now anticipation is building for the Mac Mini M5. As Apple continues to push the boundaries of what its silicon can achieve, the M5 chip promises to deliver performance, efficiency, and innovation that redefines expectations. This article dives deep into what we can expect from the Mac Mini M5, exploring its evolution, anticipated features, and why it could be the best compact desktop of 2025. The legacy of Mac Mini. Introduced in 2005, the Mac Mini was Apple's answer to affordable, no-frills computing. Over the years, it has transformed from a modest desktop with an Intel Core processor to a powerhouse featuring Apple Silicon. Initially aimed at switchers from Windows, it found a niche among developers, creative professionals, and server admins. The M-series revolution, the switch to Apple Silicon, began with the M1 chip, bringing unprecedented performance gains and power efficiency. This was followed by M2, M3, and the current M4, each iteration introducing faster CPUs, more GPU cores, and smarter neural engines. The M4 version of the Mac Mini already provides desktop-class power in a tiny footprint, but the M5 is poised to go even further. Expected release timeline. Based on Apple's release cadence and analyst reports, the Mac Mini M5 is expected to launch in late 2025. Apple may unveil the device at its October hardware event or during WWDC if the M5 chip is ready sooner. Design and build rumors suggest the Mac Mini M5 may receive a visual refresh. Apple could introduce a thinner profile, improved thermals, and a new color scheme, perhaps borrowing the space black from the MacBook Pro lineup. Additionally, refinements in internal layout may support more advanced cooling for the high-performance M5 chip. CPU enhancements. The M5 chip is expected to use a 3nm process, resulting in better power efficiency and more transistors per chip. Reports suggest up to 12 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, improving multitasking and single-threaded performance. GPU advancements. Apple may offer configurations with up to 18 GPU cores, a boon for creative professionals working with high-res video editing, 3D modeling, and gaming. Metal optimization and ray tracing support could be further improved. Neural Engine and AI capabilities. The Neural Engine is expected to see a 50% performance boost, enhancing real-time machine learning applications. This includes photo and video enhancement, voice recognition, and more seamless AI experiences. Memory and storage. LPDDR5X RAM. The Mac Mini M5 is expected to support LPDDR5X memory, offering faster speeds and reduced power consumption. Base configurations may start at 16 GB, with higher-end models offering up to 48 GB or even 64 GB. Storage options. Faster NVMe SSDs could become standard, with storage options ranging from 512 GB to 4 TB. This is especially useful for professionals handling large datasets or high-resolution media. Connectivity and expansion. Thunderbolt 5 promises faster data transfer, up to 80 gigabits per second, support for dual 8K monitors, and improved daisy chaining. This could be a major upgrade for pros using external storage or multiple displays. Wi-Fi 7 support could offer significantly reduced latency, better stability, and blazing fast wireless speeds, ideal for remote work, gaming, and high-resolution streaming. Additional ports and expansion options. Users might see a return of more legacy ports like HDMI 2.1, SD card readers, and additional USB-A ports. This will enhance its utility for photographers, videographers, and developers. Software and ecosystem integration. macOS compatibility. The Mac Mini M5 is expected to ship with macOS 15 or later, optimized for the M5 chip's architecture. Expect better multitasking, efficiency modes, and tighter integration with AI-powered applications. Seamless integration with Apple devices. Continuity and handoff will see deeper enhancements, possibly leveraging new ultra-wideband and neural engine improvements. Using your iPhone as a webcam, transferring files via AirDrop, or using Sidecar with an iPad will feel instantaneous. Target audience and use cases. Creative professionals. Thanks to its powerful GPU and large RAM options, the Mac Mini M5 will be ideal for 4K per 8K video editing, 3D rendering, and digital illustration. Applications like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Adobe CC will benefit immensely. Developers and engineers, the M5 chip's increased performance will make the Mac Mini an excellent machine for coding, compiling, running emulators, and using Docker. Developers can simulate apps across iOS and macOS more efficiently. General consumers, for regular users, the Mac Mini M5 will offer a quiet, compact, and powerful desktop experience for browsing, media consumption, and productivity. It can replace larger, noisier towers without sacrificing performance. Environmental and sustainability initiatives. Apple is likely to continue its eco-friendly mission with the Mac Mini M5. Expect a body made from 100% recycled aluminum, conflict-free materials, and packaging made from sustainable sources. Energy efficiency will also meet or exceed Energy Star standards. Pricing is expected to start at $599 for the base model. A Pro configuration may reach $1,399 or more. Global availability should follow Apple's typical rollout, beginning with North America, Europe, and key Asian markets. The Mac Mini M5 represents the future of compact computing. With the expected M5 chip, improved connectivity, better AI integration, and a refined design, it promises to set a new standard in performance and efficiency. Whether you're a creative professional, developer, or casual user, the Mac Mini M5 could be the perfect desktop to power your digital life. Stay connected. Don't miss out on the latest updates and in-depth analyses. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay informed about all things Mac Mini M5 and the evolving world of virtual reality.